naman dyan para sa ating mga animal ambassadors. At nasaksihan niyo makukulay na buhay ng mga ating mga wild animals. And that was our education show with Bird Show and Friendly Animal Encounter. But we are not done yet. Moving on to our next show, we are inviting you to please gather around to our Panyol Span. Panyol Span is looking adjacent only to Wildlife Arena. Next show will be Panyol Pajangyan Crocodile Encounter, also known as Panyol Encounter. Pagagalawin po namin si Panyol, ang pinakamalaking crocodile inside Davao Crocodile Park. And once again, we are inviting you to please gather around to our Panyol Span. Located adjacent only to Wildlife Arena.
Hey Sam, I got some crocodile water on my nose.
Okay, once again, we are inviting you to please gather around the hour 10-8. And 10-8, all of you, please, next show will be Crocodile Dancing. And ang show po natin Crocodile Dancing, magsasayawan yung aming nagdadamis mo po ng crocodiles. Dito mismo yan sa ilalim ng tunog. Kaya sa mga friends po natin, in that side, may pwede po kayong lumipat dito. Eh, dito sa kabila, may po tayong enough space. Once again, mga friends natin at the back, and dito sa likod, pwede po kayong lumipat in that side. Meron po tayong enough space. And of course guys, don't go away. After crocodile dancing, next will be crocodile feeding at susunod po again. The most awaited part of the show, tightrope walking. Kaya may tutuloy po mismo dito sa puting lubid. Mamaya, abangan natin yun. I think ready na? At this time, makakasama natin ang ating dalawang animal keepers para pasayawin itong aming nagdadamihan sa water crocodiles. At promise na guys, kapag hindi sasaya itong mga crocodiles na to, sila mismo yung sasayaw. Kaya ito na, I think ready na? Crocodile dancing starts now. And crocodile dancing showcases the leaping ability of the crocodile onto water resembles a dancing motion, and that's why we call this show as crocodile dancing. Kaya ginagawa po nila yung technique na tutuhan sa bird, especially during night time. Since nocturnal sila, they are very active during night time. And crocodiles cannot their heavy body up onto water because 70% of their muscles is found in their strong and powerful tail. And underwater, hindi po sila nakakakita. In other words, they are blind underwater. But they have lots of holes in their snout called thermoreceptors. And that enables them to detect prey. Pretty amazing. At this time guys, while we are doing our crocodile dancing, mamimigay ako ng free prizes. And kung tama po yung sagutin nyo sa aking next trivia question. And my next trivia question is, anong pangalan ng pinakamalaking crocodile namin dito sa park? O isa lang ang crocodile park. Ang nakakain na sa unahan. Ayan, una na si Kuya. Okay, Kuya, pangalan. Pangalan mo, Bangi. Pangalan? Ba't ano ang sagot? Bangi. Si Bangi nga ba? Si Bangi. Dahil dyan, syempre, free passes for you. Ay, nakapunta ka na ba ng Mount Apo? Gusto kong pumunta doon? Syempre, free passes to you. Overnight, accommodation close, Spanish, group 4, 12 persons coming from Mount Apo Highland Resort. Dahil sa'yo sana yun, Kuya, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us. That was our crocodile dancing. Next will be our crocodile feeding. Kaya ito na, ready na crocodile feeding starts now.
Pisto.
Ay, para sa malaman ng point meet ang pinagpangalan ng mga crocodiles kanina. At bakit ang crocodiles are very efficient eaters? They've got high concentrated hydrochloric acid at present
Lulunok lang eh, no?
And just in case naman hindi nyo nakainin yan, nothing to worry about it guys because crocodiles can go far as long as 18 months without eating. Ayun kung nakikita nyo, ganyan po sila kabilis. On land, may bilisan ng 12 to 14 kilometers per hour. Pero kapag nasa tubig sila, they can swim 15 to 18 miles per hour or more or less 26 kilometers per hour. And that was our crocodile feeding. Moving on to our next show, the most awaited part of the show, tightrope walking. Kaya Kuya Alan, tightrope walking starts now.
This is not any ordinary show. The man walking on the road at the top of his life is in extreme danger. Ain't just doing this for an ordinary reason. He performs this not just for the people to make them watch or be amazed, but also for the people who listen. God created man to protect the creatures of the creation. One of these creatures is a very dangerous creature. They may be very big predators from the wild. They may have sharp teeth and powerful tails, but they, if only it could only see about them, will surely take it over. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the one who is from belonging to the most critically endangered species in the world. So the time to give us the life from your right today and continually exist for future generations. If you want respect for our children and our children's children, we visit land for the sake of one of the living legacies of the dinosaurs and the navigate this wonder call. We also thank God's trust for making us the people.
Here we go guys, once again welcome to the Big Pop Tagawa Show, tightrope walking. Tightrope walking is an art of walking along a steel rope without using any safety harness. And underneath, ay nakikita niyo naman, nagdadali ang saltwater crocodiles at hinihintay si Kuya yung mahulog. Ako, kamatanan. Magkamatanan siyang gawing ulam ng mga saltwater crocodiles namin. And this afternoon, I think ready ng ating first and balancery kailangan ko ang ready na po yan. Ready na. Piliin na isang masigapong palakpakan naman po dyan para kay Kuya Noel. Are you ready? Ready. At syempre, gagawin ni Kuya Noel, tutulay siya sa mismo sa puting lubig. At ang mga poging sparkers natin sa baba. Are you ready? Ready na. Nagpansag na po sila kaya ito na Kuya Noel. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. First time. Let's get it on. Okay, and guys, pumunta na po si Kuya Noel. Paalala na sa mga superfans natin na may hypertension. Bantayan na natin yung ating tension at baka tumakas. Alam mo yung gagawin ni Kuya Noel? Mahulog kaya siya. Oo naman sana guys. Ang tama-tama, Sunday ngayon. Nakapagsimbahan ba kayo? Sisigurado pang ginagawa niya, sinisigurado na yan. Nakalawat na tama-tama habang nasa lubid. Parang naman siya guys. Ang galing naman ni Kuya Noel. Wait. Makonti naman. Mahulog kaya si Kuya Noel.
Sorry.
How's it work? Hanggang stars na lang Kuya. And there you go. Alright, guys, once again, palakpakan ka lang dyan. Alam mo ni Kuya. Okay ka lang Kuya Noel? Sigurado ka, okay ka lang? Kuya, bakit mo ba ginagawa to? Okay lang, sabihin natin. Ay, guys, ginagawa mo to dahil broken-hearted po siya. May pag-iwalay na lang sa kanyang boyfriend. Kaya gusto nyo magpaka-hundred siya. Para di ka na niya. Second time. Sure? Ready na po na. Second time. Starts na. Ayan, tumuto lang na si Kuya Noel. Para sa kanyang second time. Ano kaya next na gagawin niya?
Pwede niyang hawakan.
Ayan, Kuya Noel. At guys, ano ba kung may pagod na yung trabaho na, kasi kaya sa mga nunod ng TV, abay, Sorry, Kuya. Pinabahan kami doon. Oh, saan, Kuya? Oh, sige. Ayan. Ay, nagagawa pa lang pa ako naman sa kay Kuya. Kuya, thank you so much. Magtikan ka na to. Ano to? Second all balancer natin. Something like mas steady. At mas magaling lang po siya kay Kuya Ruel. Smell the terrible. Ito na, ready na siya. Ready na Kuya. Ready na. Yes, ready na siya. Kaya guys, once again, masigaw mo palakpakan na dyan para kay Kuya Ruel. Siyempre, gako mo yan. Papayayin sa dyan mismo sa puting tubig. Ready na Kuya. Ready na. Kaya ito na, first time.
Victor, come here.
Kaya na kung si Kuya Ruel kanina, bunti ka lang nahulog. Mahulog na rin kaya si Kuya. Bench, this out to you. Nagtitipay, naglalagay sa tuwara ka na sa baba. Small ba tayo? Mas magaling kaya sa kay Kuya Ruel. Mas strong nga ba? Ay, mas strong nga ba guys? Ay, nakonti na lang Kuya. Nakatay ka lang Kuya Rex, may nakalimutan ka eh. Ay, balik ka muna. Ay, si Kuya Ruel, balik.
Balik siya.
Hindi magpamatalo si Kuya Rex. Yan, kaya. Nakalahon, nagdara, sa labang na, sa lubid. Pakita nga natin Kuya. Lusa na ka ba yung hindi siya magkala Kuya? Panto na yan. Marcy Grace. There we go. Si Kuya Rex. Kuya Rex. Kaya na kayo. Tapos nga sa lubid. Nakapay kaya na yan ni Kuya Rex. Pakita nga natin Kuya. Nakalahon, nagdara, sa labang na, sa lubid. There you go. Ay naman. Kuya Rex. Ay, mas pogi na ba daw siya? Come on! Pating-pating lang, Dave! Bala pa! Gagay naman, Kuya Rex. Okay na, Kuya. Nakapit-napit yung okay, this afternoon, guys. Final song niya, sabi niya, mas kakabahan daw po tayo. Dahil gagawin niya kung anong request niyo. Request niyo dito. And this time, anong request niyo? Final song ni Kuya Rex. Dahil, tangling, ano pa?
Gimme, gimme! Gimme, gimme!
Giling-giling. Kaya talaga. Ba't isa pa rin na? Request.
Gimme, gimme!
Dahil,
Gimme, gimme! Bulitan! Magbudot!
Ano pa?
Magbudot!
Magbudot!
Tower! Pag-camping!
Gagawin kaya niya kung anong request ninyo. Okay, huli na kaya siya. Baka rin yun, gagawin kaya siya una na lang sa tuwal crocodiles? Abangan natin yan guys. At alam niyo ba si Kuya Rex, meron po siyang paboritong kanta. At sa tuwing, naririnig niya yun. Siya ay Come on, Kuya Rex. One more.
Kaya ko mo!
Ano? Natahimik ka. Naku, Kuya Rex. Muntikan ka na doon. Muntikan ka ng unahin ng mga crocodiles na yan. At alam mo rin ba, muntikan ko na rin. Muntikan ko yung kalinong ang mahal. Okay ka na? Okay ka na? Ready ka na? Sigurado ka ready ka na? Kaya kasi, kailangan natin makapag-pray na si Kuya Rex. Siguro mga 3 or 4 na oras. Ready na? Sigurado ba, Kuya Reg? Kuya Reg, pakitaan mo nga muna yung malaking masa. Magamit na luloob. Mahiya ka naman, Kuya. Ayan, na-partner mo dyan. Ready ka na, ready ka, Kuya. Ready na. At this time, guys, pinakamahirap itong gagawin niyo. Pinakamahirap sa mga ginagawa niya. Because Kuya Reg will regain his balance without using anything. Tatayo siya dyan mismo sa puting lubid na walang hinahawakan na kahit ano. Kaya, Kuya, ready ka na? Ready. To count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. There you go, guys. Once again, palakpakan ng pusa para kay Kuya Reg. Ang kanilang kanina. Alam niyo ba, hindi ka yan sa lubid. Hinigaan niya lubid. Inuupuan niya lubid. Pinakainan niya lubid. At malamang, ano pa ang kamulit niya, guys? Alam mo, guys, palakpakan kay Kuya Reg. And as you wish to share your blessing, you can approach Kuya Reg. Siya pumunta mo sa baba. And that was our talent growth walking. Moving on to our next show, we are going to be going on to our One Life Plaza is located near our entrance area adjacent only to One Life Plaza. This show will be interactive. The closing counter, we provide animals interactive display mismo. Yung mga hawak na nalabas namin sa